Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I reinstalled my crochet braids. Again, this is my second time installing these braids. Click the link below to see my initial review and my initial install of my Afro Beauty Senegalese crochet twist. But in this video you'll get an in-depth look of what the process really looks like when I install my crochet braids. So if you're interested in what it is that I do to achieve my crochet braid look, keep watching. Again, thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe to my videos. Bye guys. In this video I'm going to reinstall my Senegalese crochet braided twists. You guys were really interested in that initial video that I posted the first time that I did those braids, and I really like that style so much that here I decided to do it again. And I am using the very same hair that I used last time. I already washed it. I should have kind of recorded that process for you, but it was really easy. I just filled the sink with water, put the braids into the warm water, and put some shampoo in the water and just hand washed the braids in the sink. And once they were clear, the water was clear, I rinsed them, towel dried them, and now they're dry and ready to reinstall. So yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and get right into it. So this is my braid pattern. Again, this is somewhat the same braid pattern that I used last time, but a lot more braids. I believe I had 16 small braids going to the back, and I believe I have like 19 or 20 braids along the front, which means I'm going to have more hair in the front this time, which is okay with me. It should be pretty, though I am a little concerned with the angles because they were just straight back. I didn't have any angles, but this should be fine, I'm guessing. But let me show you the back. Let me show you what's different about this braid pattern. Again, here's the hair right here laying on the bed, so I could easily grab it and install it for you on camera. So yeah, let me show you the back. Okay, again, it's just braided straight back, and then underneath, my two braids on the side are going inward so that I can pull them up into a ponytail, so I can have some anchor braids in the back to pull my hair up, if that makes sense, into a ponytail. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking my braids, the length of my braids, back up so I can begin the crochet process. So I'm going to start with my needle and thread. See, had I been thinking, I would have asked the girl to braid the ends back up into the hair, so I wouldn't have to do this, but then that would have taken probably even longer, because it did take an hour to braid my hair straight back, because my hair is kind of thick and on the long side, so I didn't want to sit there forever with that, because this really doesn't take as long as you think. It's pretty quick. These two braids on bottom, which are my anchor braids here, I'm just going to bring them along this way like this and tack up the sides along with these braids here on the ends. Okay, so that's almost done along this side here. So then I'm just going to pull this back this way and sew it down. Now the time now is exactly 2:05 Central Time, and I want to be done with my hair by 5 o'clock. That's the plan. Alright guys, so I'm done tacking up the length of my braids. This is what it looks like after I'm done sewing the length back up. And that took me roughly 15 minutes to get everything sewed down to where I can go ahead and start installing my crochet braids. Now again, I'm using 7 packs of the Afro Beauty Senegalese twist. This is what they look like, using the Latch hook crochet needle that you get from your local beauty supply store. And I'm going to start right here in the back. And this time I want to make sure I fill in the areas all around the perimeter really good so I can pull them up in a high bun. Alright, this is moving along really quick. The time is now 3:08, so roughly maybe 40 minutes. And I want to say that this is like 45 to 50% done. Though I haven't got up and went to the bathroom and looked at the back yet. But it's looking really good. So as I said, the only thing that takes the longest with this hairstyle is getting your braid pattern complete and tacking your braids up if you have longer hair like I do. That takes the longest, but installing these braids is a breeze. Alright, so the time is now 3:43. And this has taken me a little longer than I anticipated because I do have more braids than last time, which means my hair is going to be a little fuller around the front. And I'm liking it so far. So yeah, this is turning out really nicely. So as you can see, installing these braids is relatively quick and easy. And the best part about crochet braids is that you get to use them over and over and over again. Again, this is my second time installing these braids. Yeah, I really like this, and I look forward to purchasing next. This one looks like it has a little snag in it. I look forward to purchasing the box braids next, so be on the lookout for that video.